Alright guys, Grail Punt 1147, the New Mutants number 98, 9.6 Fat Deadpool. Thanks everyone for buying spots in that and getting it closed so quickly. Get a timestamp after I get past all these gifts. So 28th of August at 1:48. 28th of August at 1:48 here in Perth. Grab the list. We've got, I've done that already, so we've got spot number 1, Donald, down to spot 264, which is Donald again, and all the mini spots have been filled in there. We've got Donald at spot number 1, down to Donald at spot 264. So let's roll the dice. 3 dice roll. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 seems to come up a bit. Alright, good luck everyone. 264 items. And that's the first roll. Second roll. Third roll. Fourth roll. Fifth roll. Sixth roll. That whole list to scroll down. Seventh roll. Eighth roll. Ninth roll. And double check that. 9 rolls. I think there's 2 to go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Second last. And here's the last one. Good luck everyone. Get in touch when you win and I'll have it out for you on Monday most likely. Let's go. Alright. Runs by, that's been run 11 times. Got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's have a look who the winner is. And the winner is Tyler. Big win. He didn't just miss out on a mini, but he's got the win with spot 190. Congrats, mate. Saved yourself from the mini curse. Oops, where's that gone? So timestamp 351, 351 there. We'll double check me. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Tyler's on the top spot, and it's been run 11 times. Thanks everyone.